Well, hi, everybody. I'm Dr. Steve Scheibner.
And I'm Megan Scheibner.
And it's been a while since we've seen you. This little short video that we're going to put together now is to announce a live event that we're going to do on January 14th. That's next Monday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. It's going to last for about 2 hours, maybe?
Maybe
just
2 hours, yeah.
Probably a little bit under 2 hours. And Megan and I are going to do 3 workshops, just like we do more or less at the Teach 'em Diligently conferences, except we're going to do it over the old interwebs. And it's going to be a lot of fun. And so we're really excited to see you all Monday night in our kind of midwinter hiatus here.
Yeah.
And the cool part about what we're going to do Monday night is you're going to get to come to the inner sanctum of the Scheibner household, right? And you're going to get to see our home. And Megan's actually got a surprise for you at the end. So at any rate, can you expect on Monday? And by the way, when you get an email, you get an email from Teach 'em Diligently or from Character Health, either organization. There'll be a little link in it. And all you got to do is click on that link Monday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. And when you click on that link, you're going to go live. And you're going to be with us on the internet, just like turning on your TV. It's that simple. Just click on that link. But save that email. Don't delete that email when it comes. So look for it in the next few days. So what can you expect? Well, the first workshop that we're going to do is about the hub of the relationship in the home. It's about all the communication that goes on between husband and wife and parents and children and even folks outside the home. We're going to give you these 8 rules that are really incredible for being successful and being God-centered and Christ-centered in your home. And so that's the first session that we're going to start on, and then we're going to transition to what next?
Well, the second session is going to be about some of the pitfalls we fall into that we don't even realize we're falling into, and the areas where you hit strife with your kids and you think, well, this worked when my parents did it. Why isn't it working here? And so we're going to talk about some of the wrong models we use, whether it's being child-centered or whether we're too focused on academics, things like that, and what is really the biblical focus we should have in our parenting that's going to help us be successful, not just as homeschoolers, but as parents who are raising this next generation that needs to impact their world for Jesus Christ.
Right. And then the final session that we're going to do is easy choices that we make just as human beings, right? As dads and moms and husbands and wives and all those easy choices that we make that make life harder. And what does that look like in the home, right?
And moms, I'm going to speak to you especially. You know some of the easy choices that we make every day, whether it's sleeping in or feeding our kids a Pop-Tart for breakfast and then wondering why their behavior is off for the day. So we're going to talk about some of those really, really practical decisions we're making that seem easy in the moment, but they make the day harder for everyone. And how do we avoid that? How do we make wiser choices? And then you all get to keep me honest, because I'm going to take you right into the hub of the Scheibner home, which is our kitchen. Yep. And I'm going to show you a really quick and easy recipe for a hot, filling breakfast to start your day. It really is the most important meal of the day, but I want to show you how quickly we can do that, because I think sometimes we make easy decisions because we just think, wow, it's just way too much work to do something else. And there's lots of ways to do it quick, easily, have your kitchen clean to start the day, and that's going to help you be successful as you go throughout the rest of the day with your kids.
Maybe you'll get picked up by the Food Network after this.
I'll be the next Food Network star. I might be on Worst Cooks in America. I don't know.
You might be.
I don't know. But we're excited. We're really excited to join you on Monday night and to just share the things that God's laid on our heart and encourage you in the same way that others have encouraged us.
Okay, so the time is Monday, January 14th, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Adapt it for whatever time zone you're in. Just click on the link. It'll come through Teach 'em Diligently, an email, or it'll come through Character Health as an email from Steve and Megan. Just click on the link that's embedded there, and live at 8 p.m. it all starts. And we were really looking forward to joining you and you guys joining us.
Yeah, exactly.
It's going to be kind of fun.
Yeah,
right?
We'll see you then.
We'll see you then. Blessings. Bye-bye.